Hey, what's going on, guys? We got an apocalyptic storm that has hit the Northeast. Bitter weather blasts the country as more than 1,000 flights are canceled in Chicago. I'm going to go over it with you right here, and I got some really good pictures I'm going to show you guys at the end, so stay tuned. A winter storm that brought snow and sleet to the Midwest and plains created travel headaches Saturday after airlines canceled flights and officials shut down major roads. The storm system began moving through the plains and Midwest on Friday, leading to trouble at airports in Chicago and Kansas City. It spread to the Northeast by Saturday evening. In Newfoundland, the Arctic blast buried cars and left thousands without power. The storm dumped as much as 30 inches of snow on St. John's, forcing businesses and the international airport to close. Commenting on the scale of the blizzard, Natural Resources Minister Seamus O'Regan said, "It's snow and snow and hurricanes shut down a city." And I got a picture of one guy here had posted on Twitter how he had to tunnel down to his basement to rescue his mother-in-law. I mean, how many guys would do that for their mother-in-law? Further south, blizzard conditions with powerful winds were reported in North Dakota, South Dakota, Minnesota, and Iowa. Officials in South Dakota shut down most of Interstate 29 and a 72-mile portion of the Interstate 90 Friday night. Both highways were open by Saturday afternoon, although no traffic was advised to travel on those roads. Most of I-29 in North Dakota and a 200-mile stretch of I-94 remain closed. Farther west in Wyoming, officials closed down stretches of Interstate 80 due to weather and as a precaution against travelers becoming stranded without services. Newfoundland experiences heavy snowfall yet with 30 inches. So that's a record breaker for Newfoundland this year. Much of the northern half of the country has been blanketed by snow, with northern plains experiencing a heavy snowfall. As the storm moves through the Northeast, damaging freezing rain will fall in the Midwest, along with heavy snow in the Great Lakes. Wintry conditions will return with a vengeance in the coming days. A blizzard packing winds of 50 miles per hour or more reduce visibility to near zero at the intersections of Interstate 94 and Interstate 29 in Fargo, North Dakota on Saturday. In Nebraska, the winter storm that pummeled the state Friday was blamed for at least one death on Interstate 80, the Nebraska State Patrol reported Saturday. The patrol said the driver was killed Friday when the pickup he was driving spun out of control, crossed the median, and slammed into a semi-trailer. Nebraska troopers responded to more than 200 weather-related incidents across the state, but I think that was the only death right there. Most of those were to assist stranded motorists, but 55 were crashes, the patrol said. More than 1,000 flights have been canceled, and SpaceX rocket launch in Florida was postponed. So the deal with SpaceX was, I think, it was really high winds down in Florida. I mean, I live in Georgia, and we had 60-degree weather last week, and now it's like down in the 40s, so we're feeling the cold down here too, this far south. But I think SpaceX, what I was reading is the winds were too high and the seas were too rough for the retrieval boat that the rocket lands on. They're going to do a test. I think they rescheduled it for this morning though. The National Weather Service issued winter advisories saying the storm will create hazardous travel conditions from the plains into the Northeast throughout the weekend, putting as many as 90 people under a weather alert. Alright guys, so if you live anywhere from the plains to the Northeast and you're thinking about traveling anywhere, you need to check with the local authorities to make sure the roads are safe to travel on. Alright guys, we don't want anybody getting stranded or getting hurt out there. Alright, so I'm just keeping you guys updated on the weather conditions and the apocalyptic signs that are happening all around us. Make sure you like and share this video with your friends so we can get the word out, and I'll talk to you next time.